Okay, next is relative sizes. We have to take some example and we have to calculate their radius. Relative sizes. In relative sizes, we have to take some examples and we can find out the radius. Relative sizes. Relative sizes. Here, this is a radii. Here radius we have to take in meters. Here we did not take the nanometers. Here we are taking the in meters only. Here example. We have to take some examples and we can find out the radius. First is a atom of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom, radius of hydrogen atom is 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Atom of hydrogen. Atom of hydrogen, 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Next, molecule of water molecule. Water molecule radius is 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Molecule of water or water molecule. Molecule of water. What is the radius of molecule of water? 10 to the power of minus 9. Hydrogen radius is 10 to the power of minus 10. Water molecule is 10 to the power of minus 9. And hemoglobin molecule. Hemoglobin molecule radius is 10 to the power of minus 8. Hemoglobin molecule radius is 10 to the power of minus 8. 10 to the power of minus 8. This is a molecule of hemoglobin. Molecule of hemoglobin. Molecule of hemoglobin. After that, grain of sand. Grain of sand radius is 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 4 is a grain of sand. Grain of sand. And next one, ant. Ant radius is 10 to the power of minus 3. And apple radius is 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1. Here 10 to the power of minus 3 is ant, and having the radius 10 to the power of minus 3. And next, apple having the 10 to the power of minus 1. Apple radius is 10 to the power of minus 1. These are the relative sizes and some example and their radius. See, here atom of hydrogen having the atomic radius. Hydrogen atom radius is 10 to the power of minus 10 in meters. And water molecule 10 to the power of minus 9 radius. And hemoglobin molecule is 10 to the power of minus 8. And grain of sand is 10 to the power of minus 4. And ant is 10 to the power of minus 3. Apple 10 to the power of minus 1. These are the atomic radius of some examples. Now Once you have to think, we might think that if atoms are so insignificant in size, why should we care about them? This is because our entire world is made up of atoms. Our entire world is made up of atoms. We may not be able to see them, but we did not see the atoms directly, but they are there and constantly affecting whatever we do. Through modern techniques, we can now produce magnified images of surfaces of elements showing atoms. Okay, atoms are very very small. Already we are discussed. It is a very smaller than anything. So why we might think that if atoms are so insignificant in size, why should we care about them? Because of entire world is made up of atoms only. That's why we may not be able to see them, but they are there and constantly affecting whatever we do. Through modern techniques, we can now produce magnified images of surface of elements showing atoms. Okay.